Green building material, green manufacturing, low carbon emissions and energy efficiency. Welcome to DECNO. From flooring to the wall panel, every process, every detail for a greener future. The air compressor system, using German technology, can save the energy up to 35%, providing efficient air energy to all production lines. This is the dust collection system for all raw material mixing workshop. The dust filtration efficiency is greater than 90%, filtering PM2.5, PM10, and other dust particles. The slotting line is also equipped with dust removal equipment, but it can recycle the slotting powder and reduce waste generation. The activated carbon filtration system purifies the VOCs and odors in SPC production, providing employees with a healthy working environment. Being green isn't just a choice, it's our commitment to the future. We will keep moving forward with sustainability, partnering worldwide to build a better, greener tomorrow.